Welcome to Money Mindset. In today's video, we'll be sharing how to save $10,000 in a year. Practical tips and tricks. Saving such a significant amount might seem daunting, but with the right strategies, it's absolutely achievable. If you're ready to take control of your finances, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. Saving $10,000 in a year may seem like an ambitious goal, but with the right strategies and discipline, it's absolutely achievable. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a down payment on a home, a vacation, or an investment, having a clear plan can make the process smoother and more attainable. Here are practical tips and tricks to help you save $10,000 in a year, breaking down the task into manageable steps. 1. Set a monthly saving goal. To reach $10,000 in a year, you need to break it down into smaller monthly goals. By dividing $10,000 by 12 months, you'll find that you need to save approximately $833.33 per month. Knowing your monthly target is crucial for staying on track. Write down this goal, keep it visible, and ensure you review it regularly. If $833 feels too high, you can adjust your timeline by increasing the number of months you plan to save or find additional ways to boost your income. 2. Create a budget. A budget is the foundation of any successful saving strategy. You need to know where your money is going each month in order to identify areas where you can cut back. Track your income and expenses, categorizing them into essentials like rent, groceries, and utilities, and non-essentials like dining out, entertainment, and subscriptions. Focus on reducing non-essential spending. There are many budgeting systems you can use, such as the 50 by 30 by 20 rule, where 50% of your income goes toward essentials, 30% toward wants, and 20% toward savings. Adjust the numbers to suit your own needs and allocate a larger portion of your income to savings. Consider using apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to keep track of your spending automatically. 3. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to consistently save money is by automating the process. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. This ensures that you pay yourself first, before you have the chance to spend the money. Many banks and apps allow you to schedule these transfers in advance, so you don't have to remember to do it manually. Even small, automatic transfers can add up over time. For example, you could set up a $200 weekly transfer or $500 bi-weekly transfer to your savings account. By automating, you'll be less tempted to dip into the savings before you reach your goal. 4. Cut unnecessary subscriptions and expenses. One of the easiest ways to increase your savings rate is by cutting out subscriptions and recurring payments that you don't use or need. Here's how to go about it. Streaming services. Do you really need multiple streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+? Consider downgrading to one service or sharing accounts with family members to lower the cost. Coffee and dining out. Cutting back on daily coffee shop visits or reducing the number of times you dine out can significantly impact your savings. Brewing your own coffee or preparing meals at home can save you hundreds of dollars annually. By making these small changes, you can free up extra cash to put towards your $10,000 savings goal. 5. Increase your income. If your current income isn't enough to hit your $10,000 savings target, it's time to look for ways to boost it. There are plenty of side hustles you can start, depending on your skills and interests. Freelance work, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management, freelancing can be a flexible and lucrative way to earn extra cash. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider tutoring students online through platforms like VIPid or Chegg. Rent out your space. If you have an extra room or an unused parking space, consider renting it out for extra income through platforms like Airbnb or Spathero. Any additional income you earn can go directly into your savings account, making it easier to reach your goal. 6. Implement the No-Spend Challenge. A no-spend challenge is a powerful tool for cutting back on discretionary spending. During a designated period, typically a week or month, commit to not spending money on non-essentials. This means no eating out, shopping, or buying anything that isn't a necessity. You can also try a low spend challenge, where you reduce spending to the bare minimum. Egg, no new clothes, only essential groceries. While this challenge may be difficult at first, it's a great way to see how much money you can actually save by limiting impulse purchases and focusing only on what's necessary. The savings you accumulate during this time can be a significant boost towards your $10,000 goal. 7. Use cash for non-essentials. If you find that you overspend on non-essentials, try switching to using cash for discretionary purchases. When you use cash instead of credit or debit cards, you're more likely to be mindful of your spending and stay within your budget. The physical act of handing over cash can make the expense feel more real, which can help you cut back. Allocate a fixed amount of cash each week for things like entertainment, eating out, and shopping. Once the cash is gone, no more spending in that category. This tactic helps you stay accountable to your savings goal. 8. Take advantage of tax refunds and bonuses. If you receive a tax refund or work bonuses, don't spend them on impulse buys or unnecessary purchases. Instead, allocate the entire amount towards your $10,000 savings goal. For example, if you receive a $2,000 tax refund, deposit it directly into your savings account. By using windfalls like this to boost your savings, you'll get closer to your goal much faster. If you receive a work bonus or any unexpected income, make the conscious decision to save a large portion of it. 9. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Tracking your savings progress is an important part of staying motivated. Set up a visual tracker, whether it's a spreadsheet, an app, or a simple chart on your wall, that shows your progress toward the $10,000 goal. Celebrate milestones along the way, such as hitting the $2,500, $5,000, and $7,500 marks. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you focused on your ultimate goal. Consider rewarding yourself with a small treat after hitting a milestone, but ensure the reward doesn't derail your progress. 10. Stay disciplined and be patient. Saving $10,000 in a year requires consistent effort, discipline, and patience. There may be times when you feel tempted to dip into your savings or when unexpected expenses arise. It's important to stay focused on your long-term goal and remind yourself of the reasons why you're saving in the first place. Staying committed to your savings plan will ultimately pay off, and you'll reach your $10,000 goal in no time. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.